Hello, this is Ratna. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Muharram to all of you. Being Muharram special, we will make Sooji Halwa. So first we'll add half cup ghee or clarified butter, 3 cardamom pods, half cup Sooji or cream of wheat, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 cups water, 1/8 cup coconut flakes, 1/8 cup cashew nuts, and finally 1/8 cup raisins or kismis. We'll blend it well and cook it until it leaves the sides of the pan. Sooji halwa is ready and we can garnish it with some rose petals. I hope you'll make it. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel updates, press the bell icon. See you again in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.